For the longest time, I was using V2Ray NG on my phone and V2Ray N on my PC to connect to my V2Ray configs. They worked fine, but let's be honest, their interfaces look outdated, cluttered, and aren't very user-friendly. Setting them up takes time, and importing configs can be confusing, especially for beginners. So I started looking for a better replacement, something modern, clean, and simple. But most of what I found wasn't great. Some apps were full of ads, others looked terrible or were just slow and buggy. After testing so many options, I finally found one that checked every single box. It's called Happ, a beautifully designed, ad-free, and fully optimized app that makes connecting to your V2Ray or Xray servers incredibly simple. It's available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even tvOS like Apple TV and Android TV. And trust me, once you try it, you won't want to go back. Let's start with Windows. First, download the Happ app for your device. To do that, go to the official Happ website. I'll put the link in the description. You'll see versions available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even tvOS. In this video, we'll use the Windows version. So, I'll download the Windows version. Once the file is downloaded, install it. It's lightweight and installs in seconds. When the installation finishes, open the app. The first time you open Happ, you'll need to import your V2Ray configuration. If you bought a V2Ray service, copy the config your seller gave you. Or if you're like me and created your own V2Ray server, copy your config from your V2Ray web panel. If you're interested in learning how to create your own V2Ray server, I have a full tutorial. I'll link that video in the description as well. Once you've copied your config, go back to Happ and click the clipboard icon. It will automatically import the config you copied earlier. You can also use the Ctrl+V shortcut to paste it. After importing, click Test Ping to check if it's working. If you see a number, it means the connection works. If it shows -1, that means it's not working. There are two ways to connect in Happ. Proxy mode. This only changes your system proxy, so only apps that use your system proxy will go through the VPN. Tunnel mode. This routes your entire system and all apps through the VPN. Personally, I prefer proxy mode because it's faster and lighter. After choosing your mode, click the connect icon, and that's it. You're online. To confirm your connection, open any What's My IP website. I personally use NordVPN's IP checker. As you can see, your IP and location have changed, meaning you're successfully connected to your V2Ray VPN. Using Happ on your phone is even simpler. Just go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Happ. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. Now you need to import your configuration. But first, copy your V2Ray config. You can copy it from your provider if you bought the service, or from your own V2Ray panel if you created your own server. After copying, open the Happ app and tap the clipboard icon. It will automatically import the config you just copied. After importing, tap the connect icon. The first time you connect, it will ask for a few permissions. Just allow them all. Once connected, you're good to go. To test your connection, tap the speed icon. If it shows a number, it means your connection works. If you see -1, it's not working. Let's confirm again. Open any IP checking website, I use Nord's site, and you'll see that your IP and location have changed. That means your connection to V2Ray through Happ is working perfectly. If you want to experience a clean, fast, and ad-free V2Ray app, definitely try Happ. It's simple, lightweight, and works across all platforms. Trust me, once you switch to Happ, you'll never want to go back. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more VPN and privacy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.